looking to do some activities? You can do some go-kart. Sorry.
Signal lights. Then you have to wait for the buzzer before you start, ma'am, sir. Then on the other side, ma'am, sir, is the exit point. So when your 3 laps ends, there's a flagman on the exit area who will raise the red flag. Then all you have to do, ma'am, sir, is you have to prepare for slowdown. Then just go straight in the exit. Then just proceed here on the entrance to park the go-karts again. So on the racetrack, ma'am, sir, there are yellow flags, or there's a marshal who raised the yellow flag. So you can just stay on your just stay slow down. Okay, and then if there is any troubleshoot within the carts or inside the racetrack, just raise your hands and our marshals will promptly assist you. So for the flag rules, we have red for end lap, white for final lap, yellow for slow down, and then for the black flag, ma'am, sir, is you'll be terminated inside the racetrack due to reckless of driving, ma'am, sir. That's all, ma'am, sir. And then you have any questions, ma'am?
Any off-road?
Sir?
Off-road driving?
No.
Gilligan. Gusto na kaniya.
Shout out kay Logarias. Pinakagwapo sa agap nila.
Yeah, that's called plastic. This is true Filipino swimming. It is pouring, but it is gorgeous out. Look at all the bikes. All the people are here enjoying. Look at them all in the water. Wow.
How hot is it water?
Yeah. They got a good spot there. We go over here. Leaf. That wasn't poo-poo.
It's talisay seed.
What's that?
Talisay seed.
I was being nice. They're like to drop it right there.
It's good, like 1 hour swimming and no sand.
We'll go to that spot right over there.
So we're swimming like this, right?
Huh? What's that? What are we doing?
Swimming with your shirt.
Wow, it's a little wet, right? Oh, feel warm that is there. Wow. Turn the temperature up.
See?
Here goes my fishy. You're gonna lose your clip. You forgot to leave your clip in the house. Bike. Your hair clip is gonna go floating. The water is like soup. A little cooler here in this spot.
I don't like cold.
Huh? It's cooler over there.
Cool.
It's warmer over here in this spot. I don't know why. Did you pee? Oh, that feels good. The laser beam will come out soon. Huh? we just ended up having something to eat. It's time to eat again. It's just the Filipino way, you know? Manja manja. Oh, we're back to Gilligan's. Gilligan's Island. Gilligan's Island. There we go. There you go.
If you are hungry, you can eat my food here first. While waiting.
David here from Canada Philippines Adventures, your go-to channel for travel, lifestyle, and real vlogs throughout the Philippines.